We needed a high quality garment to suit our needs really. We wanted something that wasn't going to be patched up every couple of weeks because they got torn or ripped or burnt. We wanted something that's going to look as good maybe a year, 18 months down the road as it was when it was originally supplied to us. My name's Andy Sellick. I'm the workshop manager here at Kellands Plant Sales in Bridgewater. Majority of our work is the selling of plant construction equipment, as in excavators, telehandlers, rollers, dumpers. Our main market is the Devlon machinery, which is the orange machinery that you can see behind us. Recently, I've just been out to Valencia for the Devlon European Dealer Conference, and we actually won the award for mini excavator sales of the whole of Europe. Normally, the customer's got an idea to start with what he's after. We then work through that sales order to the customer's specification, just so that the customer, when he takes delivery of it, it's all ready for him to get going from day one. We've got a welding fabricating shop, which we can carry out some repairs or fabrication work that's needed for machines. And you charge a decent rate to carry out work on a customer's machine, and it's got to be justified. You've got to look the part, whether it's the overalls, the van, the tools you're using. We wanted something that was going to, look the business. Clean does share the same ethos as Kellands. They pride themselves in their garments that they supply. We decided to make a change from our previous supplier. We didn't want something that was going to fade after it'd been washed 2 or 3 times or shrink, so that you've got to change them. Clean offered a vast array of garments for us to choose from. In the end, we come to an agreement, and it was a high visibility, fire retardant contrast coverall. We particularly didn't want zips on the overalls because of people leaning over the tops of the machine, scratching the paintwork, etc. So we went with overalls with a concealed popper. We thought the service that they were offering looked to have been the best, and also the quality of the garments. It was like nothing was no trouble with Clean. The switchover process, we literally finished wearing our other suppliers' overalls on a Friday, and on the Monday, everybody just jumped into their new overalls. They've turned up on time. The guy that picks them up is always smiling, and that's what you want. Even at this early stage, we'd definitely look to sign another contract for one of our other depots, and I'm sure we've already been asked where we get our overalls from. Clean looks to be the way forward for us at Kellands.